Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison liver and onions. This recipe takes 15 minutes to prep and 15 minutes to cook. Serves 4 and is easy difficulty. Ingredients: 1 pound venison liver, 2 large onions, ½ cup flour, 4 strips thick-cut bacon, 2 tablespoons butter, salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Step 1. Bacon. Cook bacon until crispy, reserve fat. Step 2. Onions. Cook sliced onions in bacon fat until caramelized, about 15 minutes. Step 3. Liver. Dredge liver slices in seasoned flour. Step 4. Cooking. Quickly saute liver in butter, 2 to 3 minutes per side. Don't overcook. Step 5. Assembly. Serve liver topped with caramelized onions and crumbled bacon. And that's how you make venison liver and onions. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.